You are going to love the 2021 e-tron Sportback. The Audi e-tron Sportback provides plenty of efficiency that you'd expect from an electric vehicle, but continues to provide a fun and sporty ride. The e-tron offers plenty of luxurious interior feel with all the latest technology. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.